Hello children. Hi. Welcome back to Study with me Sudha. Yes, I'm doing good. I hope you all are happy and healthy as well. So we are back again to animals, okay? Yeah, we have finished what all do you remember domestic animals? Wild animals part 1 part 2. Yes, the animals that live in what? You have to tell what you have learnt. I will not say from now. Alright, we have learnt about land animals, okay? And also we have learnt about aquatic animals. Means what? The animals that live inside the water, in the oceans or in your aquarium. Yes, different types of fishes, whales. Am I right? We have learnt about the dolphin. Yes or no? We have learnt about the shark. Alright, today's topic is about animals that live both in land and water. So we have a kind of animals that live both on land and water. Is it possible? Because where the animals which live in water will have gills to breathe. The animals that live on land will have lungs to breathe. Let us see what is the speciality of these animals that they can live both on land as well as water. What is the first one that you can see? Yes, this is a long, yes, strong animal, a crocodile. Yes, that's a crocodile. It's in green color. A crocodile is a big green animal that lives near water. That means what? It will be sunbathing outside on the land, as then whenever it wants to swim and enjoy, it goes into the water and it's going to swim. Okay, they have a very long tail. Did you see the tail, how long it is? And strong legs as well, and a very big mouth with sharp teeth. Okay, it has lots of sharp teeth. They live in rivers, lakes, sometimes near the oceans also. Okay, what are these? We are talking about crocodiles, children. Okay, and these are mostly found in Africa, Australia and India. So what do they eat? Every living being needs food to live. Am I right? So crocodiles eat fish, which is already available in water. Birds, interesting. I don't know how they are going to hunt them. Okay. And sometimes other animals that come too close. Means what? How are they going to come close? Any idea? When the crocodile is in the water, some animals will come to drink water, right? Like deers or boar or guinea pigs. Animals in the wildlife, like in the forest. Am I right or not? These crocodiles attack them and they will become its food. Okay? It's very simple. Okay? They use their sharp teeth to catch their food. Okay, crocodiles can swim very fast using their tail. Okay, let us go to the next one. Ooh, how cute. White. What is that? Yes, that's a polar bear. What is the difference between normal bear and polar bear? We see bear in three colors, right? What are those three colors or two colors that you see? Black, brown, and what else is the color? White, right? Three colors: white, brown, black. Okay, and any other color that you see? I never saw. If you see, just can comment. Okay, so polar bear is the bear that is not found over here, children. In hot places, they cannot live. They are not being seen. Only in the cold, icy places they can live, and they like to live as well. Whereas these normal bears that are in the color like in black or brown, they can live in our forests, like normal humid or hot places also they can live in. Okay, so this white color bear is called polar bear. It has two cubs also, you can see, small babies it has. A polar bear is big, fluffy white bear that lives where it's really cold. As I said, okay, they have thick fur. Fur means what? This squishy thing. hairy thing that is called fur, children, and a layer of fat to keep them warm. So they are being protected by a layer of fat on their skin so that they will not be feeling cold. In the polar region, it's freezing cold, right? Yes. Polar bears live in the Arctic, a cold, snowy place at the top of the world. Arctic is really extremely cold place, children. Okay. So at this point of time, what do they eat? Okay, they eat seals, fish, and sometimes other sea animals like fishes. Whatever are the water animals that they see or they can feed on, they feed. Because in the polar region, most of the place is ice cold. They love ice and snow. Who? Polar bear. Okay. They are great swimmers. They can swim in extremely cool way. Okay. They are great swimming creatures. Okay. And use their paws to paddle in the water. They swim. We also swim right in the water, but they are experts. Okay. Where they live, they are in the where? Arctic place, very cold place they live in. And the water will be under the ice, the water will be freezing cold. My God, right? Alright, polar bears have huge paws, okay, to help them walk on snow and ice. They can move like this. See how much big paws are there? See these paws? They are big ones, right? Yes. Let us see the next one. Penguin. A penguin is a bird. See? It's a bird. But guess what? It can't fly. Yes, it cannot fly. Penguins are great swimmers and love to live where it's cold. Most penguins live in icy places like Antarctica, which is icy cold. You might ask me, ma'am, you said only polar bear. Yes, polar bears also live, but depends, right? Whatever they feel as home, they live over there, right? Okay, most penguins live in icy places like Antarctica. Okay, so some live in warmer areas like South Africa, New Zealand also. That's good, right? So you can also visit there. Okay, they always stay near the water. Why do they live near the water? Because they like to eat fish, squid, and some of the other tiny sea animals. They catch their food under the water with their sharp beak. See, they have sharp beaks. Oh, that's nice, right? Alright, this is about the penguin. Alright, what is this? Rabbit, rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. That's a frog. Yes, a frog is a small animal that can jump really far. Frogs love to live near water. Okay, frogs live in where? Ponds, lakes, forests. Okay, why do they live there? It is very easy to get food. Okay, some even live in jungles. They like places that are wet and warm. If the place is wet or rainy or warm, what will happen? Obviously, you get bugs. Yes, you get bugs and flies and mosquitoes, right? So, these all are the food. How is it going to eat? How is the frog going to eat? The frog is going to catch them with their sticky, long tongues. Slurp! That's the frog, children. Alright, what is this? That is a sea lion. I forgot to write the name. I'm so sorry, children. So that's a sea lion. A sea lion is a big playful animal that lives in the ocean, and also they come out like this and sit on the rocks. Okay, in groups actually. There are others also here actually. I couldn't take all of them. I have to put again sea lions. That's why I did not put that. So they come here on the rocks and they rest, they sunbathe, and they again enter into the water. Okay, they look like seals, but they are different because they all have small ears and can walk on land with their flippers. See, these are their flippers. Okay, sea lions live near the ocean, usually on the beaches, on the rocks. You can see them. Okay, and they are mostly found in California, South America, and Australia as well. Okay, what do they eat? See, most of the animals that live on land and water will like to easily find food in the water. Okay, so for example, the sea lion would like to eat fish, squid, and other sea animals, as I said just now. Okay, and these are excellent swimmers also. Okay, let us go to the next one. What is this? This is a turtle. A turtle is slow moving animal with big hard shell on its back. Okay, the shell is like its house. It keeps the turtle safe. Okay, it feels safe inside. It also goes inside it very easily. Okay, where does it like to feel as its home is? What? Not only its shell, its home is the places that it likes to live in, like ponds, oceans. Okay, so, and the next one is, I have to say, children, it's food. What is the food that it likes to eat? The food it likes to eat is plants, fruits, and little bugs in the sea. And it comes out, children, when it wants to lay its eggs far away from its home in the beaches or sandy areas where it's safe from other animals. Okay, so, and sea turtles also eat seaweed, jellyfish, and other sea plants or ocean plants also. Alright, let us see the next one, that is the seal. We have saw sea lion, now we are going to see the seal. A seal is a cute chubby animal that lives in the ocean. These also have flippers to help them swim and smooth fur to help them warm. Okay, so where do they live? These are also on the rocks. As you can see, this is sitting on the rock. There is a bird beside it. Did you see that? Okay, and they love to eat fish, squid under the sea. It's very easy to get the food into the water or under the sea. Fishes, squids. Okay, these are all easily available, and as they are great swimmers, they could easily find their own food. Okay, so this is about seal, children. Okay, what is this? The sound it makes is really scary. Sss, sss. Yes, it's a snake. A snake is a long, slithery animal with no arms or no legs. Okay, they move by sliding their bodies on the ground. And what do they like to eat? They like to eat mice, birds, frogs. Okay, and they also, some snakes also eat eggs, and they swallow food wholly, completely. They swallow it. Okay, they gulp it at a time. Okay, they like to do that, and they live, where do they live actually? In forests, deserts, grasslands, also in water. Alright, this is about snake, children. And what is this? That's a crab. As you can see, it has how many legs? You have to tell me. It moves in a funny way. Yes, what is it? A crab is a small funny animal that lives near the water. And also, as you can see, it is out of the water. The water is over here, and this is the sand. It is resting here. It's taking nice sun bath now. Okay, and it has a hard shell, claws, and walks sideways. Okay, they also live in oceans, beaches, and even rivers. And they like to also live in salt waters, and you can also see them in the beaches, children. Whenever you go to beaches now, if you observe, they will be running here and there. If you just stand and observe, you can see these actually. Okay, you can, if you observe, you can see very easily. You can catch with your eyes itself. Okay, they move very fast. That's for sure. Okay, and so what is their food they eat? They eat tiny plants, small fishes, or leftovers. Okay, whatever they find, the animal leftovers will be there, right? Some other animals may eat and leave. Okay, those leftovers also they eat. Okay, they use their claws to grab food and bring it to their mouths. As simple as it is, right? Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this session very thoroughly, children. Yes, we will meet in the next class again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.